In 2024.1, we continue enhancing the segmentation workroom with new tools and enhanced functionality. So here we are looking at the SEM image of a cathode, and we want to be able to do some segmentation of the grain. We used to have these icons at the top and inside this menu there to access the different tools. We added pull-down menus that allows you to access the same tools with shortcuts directly from the top menu. We also continue adding feature tools that allows you to go step by step and understand how a particular tool is working and what are the different steps in order to use this tool. Enhancement also to the lasso tool in auto trace mode. So actually the points are more precise and spaced correctly, more accurately, I would say, using the gradient around the area of interest. So here I select actually a little bit too much, so I can use the eraser and remove a little bit of the highlighted area, and then I decide to add this to my material 1. I want to highlight also the new automatic update of the magic wand when changing the mask. So you can select a seed inside your tool image. The seed is going to use the mask to propagate. And you can see that if you change the mask, actually automatically the propagation is updated and your selection is also updated. So I can add this to my second material, material 2. Now you have two materials, material 1 and material 2. We added the capability also to merge two materials together. So now these two grains are belonging to the same material 3. Want to highlight this grain, I'm going to create a new material and add it. So now I have two materials. We enhance the probing capabilities of the segmentation workroom, so you can directly browse on top of a particular material, and you can see the status bar, which material your pixel is actually belonging to. We enhance the picking mode also. So you can select the picking tool, and then you can select if you want to pick in the whole volume or in current slice. And here, if you want to pick, you are going to pick and select the whole material, but you have also the option to select only collected component. So if you click on this grain, only this grain is going to be highlighted because the second grain belonging to this material is not collected. We also added the ability to smooth labels. Using this particular tool there, you can define some parameters, create a new label, or overwrite your label, and you can apply this, and automatically all of the materials are going to be smoothed.